Okay, this is a quick scope here. Just wanted to do a quick update scope on my car. It got buried out of the snow. If you saw my last scope, you'll have seen how my car was buried under snow, and most of these cars in this parking lot here were also buried under snow. But we got some help, and it's dug out. I even drove it off. Yep, it was pretty easy actually. After someone helped me dig the snow, shovel the snow from beneath, from behind my car, and then I just backed out, and then the rest of it fell off the top. So yeah. Anyway, it's pretty crazy. They're still plowing and all that over there. But, I'm having problems with my screen. There we go. Okay. Anyway, so the cars got out of the snow, and they're still plowing and shoveling and all that. Yeah, the complex people came out to help, and so that's the quick update. Basically, my car's out of the snow. It's not buried anymore. I can drive it around, and though I really don't need to be going anywhere at this point, I just wanted to get it out of the snow because the next 3 days are going to be below freezing weather. It's going to be below zero actually, so it's going to be even harder and colder on those days to get out of the snow. And yeah, they're still working on it over there. Wow, it's going to be a cleanup day for sure. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna probably head on out in the scope and get on with things. If there's something more interesting to scope later on, I'll scope it. Thanks for joining. Stay safe, stay warm wherever you are.